Bitcoin hit 29K for the first time ever, rising holder hopes for 30K by the end of this year. March-April market provided real-time test of Bitcoin potential as hedge against currency. Bitcoin versus S&P 500 and gold year-to-date returns. Bitcoin halving was happened, and Binance is also saying that they're gonna delist XRP on January 13, 2021, and Coinbase have already said that. So if you want to watch all of this news, don't forget to like, share, and watch the video until the end. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of Crypto Guy. And Bitcoin is all-time high again yesterday, and it hit 29,400 here you can see, and now it's trading about 28,800. So let's get straight into the Bitcoin technical analysis. And here you can see our 4-hour chart. I have made some new lines, but let's go and check from 1-day chart. Here you can see that we are on very parabolic run. I mean, I haven't seen this kind of chart. This is crazy, but Bitcoin is going up and it's very bullish. Even if you bought Bitcoin 1 week ago, you are already in 10% profit. If we go on 4-hour chart, let's start with 1-hour chart, and here you can see that we are just sitting above on 20 weekly moving average at the moment, and this is about 28,700. So if we have to go up, we have to watch this level 28,725, and if we break this one, then the next will be 28,400 on 2-hour chart. On 3-hour chart it will be 28,300, and mostly we talk about 4-hour chart, and here it is. And if we go down a little bit bearish, which is still in, we will be in 28,000 almost. And here I have drawn some new lines, and this is a rising wedge. And if everybody knows about this, the rising wedge is mostly the bearish divergence. So we go up like this, and maybe this is the top where we are going. This is about something about 30,000. We can see that Bitcoin can hit until 30,000. From there we can come down, and but we are still in the rising channel, so there can be a good opportunity for short. But first we have to see what's going to happen. If we start coming down until here, like from 30,000, there can be a sharp decline and we can hit here, which is about 27,000. But if we break this one, then the all hell will be break, and we can come until something about 22,000, and that will be the almost the start of the rising wedge. So these are the scenarios we have to keep looking in. But right now we still have some room, so there can be a pump, it can be a fake out until 30. But this is Bitcoin, guys. You know that Bitcoin never heard of anything, and it can go parabolic again. So we have to see if we break up above and we sit here about something here about 30,000, and then we need a confirmation so we can go up. So if we just sit on 30,000 and we just go up above this line, it means that we can go for a long. And right now if we hit 30,000, from there would be a down. I think there will be good opportunity for short even until 27,000. And even if we still go more, and if we break this one, then it will become down until 22,000, which people are talking about. So these are the levels which we have to see in the right moment, that it can go up until 30,000. From there it can come down and be still in the rising wedge, and rising wedge is mostly a bearish divergence and is a bearish sign. So keep an eyes on these, and let's see if Bitcoin can go until 30,000, or otherwise it's coming down. And if it's come down, it will become until 27, and if we break this one, then it can come more down until 22. And definitely I'm going to update you in my next videos as well. So keep an eye, and there could be a good opportunity for long if we settle down about 30,000, or there would be a good opportunity for short if we break this one. It can be also happen that Bitcoin come down here, have a little bit W pattern and go up again. So we have to keep an eye on these ones. Okay, now we have some crypto news, and the first news I would like to tell is Bitcoin hit already all-time high above 29,000 for the first time ever, and the holders and the traders are expecting for 30K by the New Year Eve. And actually today is the New Year Eve. Today is 31st December 2020, so we have to see that if Bitcoin can go and break 30 level as well. But as you know, I already told you guys that this is a rising wedge and we can go and hit until 30,000. From there we can have a dump, and that's the correction that everybody was talking about, and this is a time where we can buy. Here is an interesting, I would like to tell that Bitcoin in a year of 2020, and that was the whole year of 2020, almost from February. And you can see that March and April was the exact point where was the testing of Bitcoin has happened, and the market has dumped until about 3,800. And I remember that day the people were so afraid to buy Bitcoin here. From there the Bitcoin prices recover as Fed central bank pumped trillions of dollars into global finance system. Because of this pandemic we are having, Bitcoin price tanked as pandemic hit global markets. But after that we were still rising, and I remember that it was 10,000 was a level where Bitcoin was there for 3 months almost in May, June, and July. And after that, we have seen a parabolic run, and people was not expecting 20,000 that time. And now 20,000 it also looks very cheap at the moment because Bitcoin price is about now 30,000. And this is one more I would like to show you one chart about Bitcoin versus S&P 500 and gold. So if you have invested something about 1,000 euros or $1,000 in Bitcoin and S&P and also in gold at the same moment, so in S&P you will only got like 15%, and if gold you already have been raised above 24%. And but if you have invested the same money in Bitcoin, it's already been up about 224%. I mean, that's insane, and this is what Bitcoin is about. If we remember correctly, like 2020, the year of 2020 will definitely a year of Bitcoin. And here you can see that we also had halving which happened at May 12, and everybody was talking about a lot about that one. And after that there was also a lot of things happened. There was a pandemic and Bitcoin crashed into 3,000, and now it's going up. And after that I think it is the ultimate test for Bitcoin at the moment, and you can see the Bitcoin is going up. Well, in the matter of we are talking that we can see a small dump here, as we have talked about. I told you that it can easily come and touch 2,700, and if it breaks it, it can easily come until 26,000. That's what I was telling you guys. And now you can see there's a small dump as we are talking and I'm recording this video. But yeah, let's go to the next news for this section. And here we have Binance US says it will delist XRP on January the 13th as well. As I told you guys that Coinbase is also reacting, and they are also delisting Coinbase Pro. So if you're having Coinbase Pro, they are also delisting the XRP Reaper, and now Binance is also joining the list, and this can be a very huge, I mean huge push for, and it will break the backbone of XRP. And definitely if you are a holder, other exchanges to delist or suspend expert trading on the market are Coinbase, Crypto.com, OKCoin, Zigro, Wirex, Bittrex, Swipe Wallet, Crosstower, BXC, OSL, Jump Trading, Bitwise. I mean, there are so many things, and I told you in my last video, guys, that if Coinbase has started, there's gonna be a snowball effect, and that's exactly what's happening. Everybody want to delist XRP at the moment, which is very bad for XRP. If we go and see XRP chart, US dollar, and we can see that XRP have been down a lot, and since that there was been a little bit pump. Here was 0.17 US dollar, and now we are about 0.21. But I'm telling you guys, this is just the beginning for XRP, and definitely XRP will never go to zero, but it can be of 1 or 2 cents. So it's better that I would suggest that if you are holding for a very long time, that there is a possibility for 5 years. But if you wanted to turn your XRP into USD Tether, I mean that will be the best scenario at the moment, instead of just keeping holding it because it doesn't look so good, as I told you in my last video. So be careful about XRP trading. If you have on XRP leverage trade or spot trade, just get out of it as soon as possible. Because if you go and see on Phoenix as well, if you don't know what is Phoenix, I have a Phoenix trading tutorial as well. You can guys go there and see, and you can know how to long and short. And here you can see that XRP USD, it's you can see is almost there. You can also have a spot trading, you can also do some leverage trading, but XRP definitely is going down, so just be careful about that. And 2020 was a year of Bitcoin, and we already hit all-time high 29k, and I think that can be a good time to take profit as well. But you can also hold it for long run, because I'm a long run holder and only take profit if you are a short term or a swing trader. Definitely 2020 was the year of Bitcoin, and 2021 will be more exciting, and definitely the price of Bitcoin will going to skyrocket. And my prediction for 2021 will be at least 50,000, which is very realistic. People are talking about 100,000, but I'm just talking about 50,000 at first, and definitely after that we can go up. But don't forget that it can be a bumpy ride, there can be a dips, there can be a correction about 10 to 30%, even 50%, and that's possible that nothing will happen. So I think that's all for today. Until that, keep safe, keep trading Bitcoin, and bye bye.